Everyone, we are doing Scholarship Calculus 2021, question 4A today. A young couple want to buy a house. They have $76,000 in savings, which currently insufficient for a mortgage deposit. After research, they invest all their capital in a KiwiSaver fund and commit to annual deposit of $4,500. The government will contribute $500 to their fund each year as well. The fund has an anticipated average compounding growth rate of 16% per year. The couple used the model DADT equals 0.16A plus D to forecast the success of their plan, where A of T is the amount of money in the investment at time T. The deposit rate is D dollars per annum. The couple hope to buy a house within 10 years and believe they will need $500,000 by then. Will their initial investment of $76,000 be sufficient, assuming everything else remains unchanged? So this is differential equation question, the integration question. Now I'm gonna copy this here and let's try to solve it. Oops. Right. So first of all, I see we have to this equation. We have to rearrange this. dA dt equals 0.16a plus d. So all the terms with the a left hand side, t right hand side, but I don't have t. So I have to say 1 over 0.16a plus d dA equals dt, right? So how I got this is times by 1 over 0.16a plus d on both sides and dt on both sides. Then I put integral sign. So I integrate. So this is f prime x over f of x form. If I had 0.16 here. So what I mean, to be able to do this, I have to times by 1 over 0.16 on outside. So that becomes 1 over 0.16 ln 0.16a plus d left hand side, and right hand side is, because it's 1, that becomes a t plus a c. Now I times by 0.16 on both sides, so that's ln 0.16a plus d equals 0.16t. Well, there's no point to times by 1.6 to c, right? So this is just c. Now this means 0.16a plus d equals e to the power of 0.16t plus c. In other words, so instead of saying e to the power of c, I would say k times e to the power of 0.16t. And now we know d is 5,000, isn't it? So $4,500 deposit plus $500 government contribution. So I would rewrite this 0.16a equals k e to the power of 0.16t minus 5,000, right? Because d is 5,000 per year. Hence a equals k to the power of k e to the power of 0.16t over 0.16 minus 5,000 divided by 0.16. I've got 31250. Okay. Now I see we have to find the k, right? So when time is 0, when it started, that is 76,000. So that's got to be A note is K over 0.16 minus 31250 equals 76,000. So K over 0.16 must be 76,000 plus 31250. So that is 107,250. Hence, K equals that 1 times 0.16, which is 17,160. So the equation is this 17,150 e to the power of 0.160 over 0.16 minus 31,250. Okay, so we have the test when we plug 10 into t, whether we get 500,000. So the moment of truth. So A of 10 equals 17,160 e to the power of 1.6 over 0.16 minus 31250 equals. Right. Good news is I've got 499,962. So 499,962. Close enough, isn't it? To 500,000. So the answer is yes. They will make $5,000, $500,000. Okay. All right. Good. All right. See you next time. Bye.